Here's the truth. AI isn't going anywhere. It's here to stay. So let's stop fighting it and start using it. Because with the right tools, you can study in a way that's way more organized and get a real head start on the rest of the class. I'm a marketing student, so for every tool on this list, I'll give you a real example from my own field to keep it practical. These are the top 5 AI tools for students. Let's get into it. Number 1 is ChatGPT. This is the all-in-one tool. You can use it for almost everything. Explaining a hard topic, brainstorming ideas, summarizing a long reading, building a study plan, even writing code. So here's my example. I've got a case study of Nike's marketing strategy due next week. I can ask ChatGPT to explain the 4 P's of marketing in simple words, break down Nike's positioning, and then quiz me on it. And here's the part I really like. ChatGPT has a study mode made for students. Instead of just handing me the answer, it walks me through the problem step by step. It asks me questions. It checks if I really understand. So I actually learn, I don't just copy. If you use only one tool from this list, make it this one. Number 2 is NotebookLM from Google. This one's special because it works on your own materials. Your slides, your PDFs, your notes. Here's my example. I've got an exam coming up and the material is spread across a few different files. My lecture slides on consumer behavior, a PDF chapter on market segmentation, and my own messy notes. I just upload all of them into one notebook. Then NotebookLM turns everything into a single podcast. 2 AI voices actually talk me through my material like a real episode, and I can listen while I walk or cook. The best part, it connects the ideas from all the documents, not just one. For exam prep, honestly, this is a game changer. Number 3 is Perplexity. Think of it as a smarter search engine. It's perfect for research, essays, and projects. When you ask a question, it searches the web in real time and gives you a real answer with sources you can click on. Now you might be thinking, I already have ChatGPT, so why do I need this? Good question. Here's the difference. ChatGPT is great for thinking, explaining, and writing, but sometimes it can invent a source that doesn't even exist. Perplexity is built around real-life sources. Every answer comes with links you can actually open and cite. So here's my example. For a marketing essay, I need the latest social media advertising stats for this year. Perplexity gives me the number and the source, ready to drop straight into my references. Simple way to remember it. ChatGPT helps you think, Perplexity helps you prove it. And that's exactly why it's on this list. Number 4 is Grammarly. This one's a must if you write in English, and especially if English isn't your first language, like me. It checks your grammar. It fixes sentences that sound confusing. It helps with clarity, structure, and tone. And it works almost everywhere you type. In Word, in Google Docs, in your email. So here's my example. I just finished my brand strategy essay, and I'm also sending an email to apply for a marketing internship. Grammarly makes both of them sound clean, clear, and professional before anyone else even reads them. It even helps with citations, and it checks for plagiarism. For your assignments, your emails, and your application, it just makes you look sharp. And number 5 is Quizlet. This one's all about memorizing and passing exams. It's famous for flashcards, but it does way more now. You can make practice tests, you can use learn mode, which focuses on the stuff you keep getting wrong, and there's a feature called Magic Note. You upload your notes and it turns them into flashcards and practice questions in seconds. So here's my example. Before a marketing exam, I take all my key terms like market segmentation, brand equity, and conversation rate and turn them into flashcards in just a few seconds. Then I drill them the night before. Less time making materials, more time actually studying. So those are my top 5. ChatGPT for almost everything, NotebookLM for your own materials, Perplexity for research you can actually cite, Grammarly for your writing, and Quizlet for exam prep. Use them together and you'll study smarter, stay organized, and get ahead of everyone else. Pick one, try it this week, and watch how much time you save it. See you next time.